Hey guys, and welcome back. I got so many questions regarding the layout tutorials that I put out. So this was one of them where you have a super cool dashboard that kind of looks really different, right? So you have buttons that like hide and show, have filter panes here which hide and show based on buttons. And all of this is actually made using the layout container. So you could choose the kind of graphs you want based on the buttons, close it, have it super discreet. And I know I've shown it in a bunch of other videos, but people keep sending me emails on, can you show exactly how it's done? So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna make this into a template and just allow you guys to download and figure out how I did it, right? So each of this is an object. And if you just check out my layout container video. So each of this is an object, and then I'm laying one object on top of the other. I'll have the template down below. Just download it, use it, change it to how you want it. But if you want to see step by step how it's done, because it can get a little bit complicated, right? Like over here, see here, and then we have a bunch of variables that we play with for the chart to be shown or to be hidden based on which button is selected here. So it can get a little bit complicated. So yeah, just download the template, check it out. If you want me to go through step by step, just write down, or you know what, maybe I'll do like a quick tutorial. So just sign up for the link below. So you can see like a layout masterclass on how to build super cool dashboards like this. So I have another one built. That's this one. This is a bit more simpler, right? I have a button, and this button actually brings this to close and open and stuff. And what people were most curious about was this one. So this is also just a layout container, right? It's a bunch of different objects placed together and then made into for it to look like a website. So I think that it's really, really cool. So you can go into tracks. Now, as you can see, like these are actually buttons, right? You go in, I click on this, and then I have all of these things and they look really cool. I click in and I go into another page. Like it literally looks like you're going from one page to another, just like in a website, right? But that's not how it is, because if you go back, let me show you quickly how it's done. Yeah, and you know what? If you add too many objects, it does get a bit slow sometimes. So all of this is an object, right? Each of this here is an object. So you see how many I have over here, and each of them are linked to a variable. So I'll actually, maybe it's, you know, I'll have the data and the file so you can download it, have a look at how it works, play around with it, try to maybe build something cool by yourself. I think that would be really nice. Let's go back here. I'm actually really proud of this. Please leave a like if you like this. I think it looks really cool, and I'm kind of really proud of doing this because it did take me a lot of time to like get the right images and the attributes and stuff. Let me click on this one. Yeah, so you see that it lags. I'm running Qlik Cloud right now, so it lags a little bit. And over here it looks pretty darn cool, right? Well, I think it looks really cool. And all of the like each of none of this is a video. This is actually just a GIF over here, and I have a button. When you click on it, this one changes, and it changes like randomly because I've made like a selector. All of these things, like, you know, different kind of things that's there. You could go inside, go into each of the attribute and try to figure out how it works. I'll have the template down below, even for this one, along with all, I don't know, maybe you want the data set. So I'll have the data set as well. So check it out if you're interested to see how to do it. Yeah, just sign up for the newsletter and I'll give out more details there. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Peace.